This is Indy Nation News, covering the stuff that matters, usually sports, vending machines, the arts, and other stuff too. From Indy Nation World News Headquarters, right across the hall from the wood shop, Indy Nation News starts now.
Good morning, Indy Nation. I'm Max Goldmax, and this is Indy Nation News.
And I'm Ryan Schwinger. Here's what you need to know as you start your day.
For those of you who are interested in being part of the Independence Red Cross Club, you have to attend a mandatory meeting on October 16th after school to officially be a part of our chapter. Join our remind and follow our Instagram for future updates. We hope to see you there.
Unity Day is Wednesday, October 16th. Everyone is encouraged to wear orange to help show unity in our school. Indy Pier will be hosting lunch games and activities, and the top 3 students who wear the most orange will win a gift card.
Safety and visibility. Wearing orange together emphasizes the importance of creating an environment where everyone is seen for who they are while feeling safe.
Join us by wearing orange on October 16th. The top 3 students who wears the most orange will win a gift card.
Was it really a dark and stormy night? Come join Mr. Zapito's Creative Writing Club to decide for yourself. Our first meeting will be on Tuesday, October 15th at 8:45 in room 2610. We will discuss the best dates and time for future meetings.
Indy football continues to roll with their victory over Lightridge last night. INN reporter Aaron Pepling interviews Nick Nassib and Justin Jordan on their win.
Well, I mean, it's a great feeling, going 1-0 in division play. We got a lot more games to play. But, I mean, it's just great to start the momentum like that and start 1-0 in division play.
The last couple of years, we've beat Riverside, so, just keep the game plan simple. I think we're on a roll, and being back at home is going to be really nice.
For Hispanic Heritage Month, we are celebrating the Mirabal Sisters, known as the Las Miras Polas. The Mirabal Sisters' bravery and sacrifice have become a symbol of feminist resistance and are commemorated annually on the International Day for Elimination of Violence Against Women.
Get your pink shirt out for Friday's football game on October 18th. If you buy one, this also gets you access to the student versus faculty volleyball game, where you will be watching the students beat the teachers. All proceeds go to Stepsisters, a local breast cancer foundation.
The library is hosting a free Tinker Card beginner workshop on Thursday, October 24th during all 4 lunches. Participants will learn how to create designs which can then be printed on the 3D printers in the library. To sign up, visit the library's circulation desk or a library student Schoology page.
The Step Up Loud and Youth competition presents students with an opportunity to identify an issue in their community and implement a solution. Join us at a brainstorming workshop this year on November 14th or December 12th. They are geared to helping students identify a project that resonates and help set them up for success.
Hello. So, what did you do this summer? Is there a problem in our community that you're trying to solve? Are you trying to raise awareness about your project? Step Up Latin is a great platform to raise awareness and get recognition for your efforts to improve the community. It can be anything, from an app to a recycling campaign. No idea is too small and every effort counts. Participate in Step Up Latin 2025.
Are you planning on attending job interviews, competing in professional events within DECA, FBLA, and HOSA, or just need other tips on how to present yourself? Attend Men's Warehouse Dress to Success workshop, happening right here on October 16th at 8:45 in room 1610. See you there.
That's all the time we have for this edition of Indy Nation News.
Have a great day. We'll hope to see you right back here tomorrow.